Welcome to the ultimate telecom engineering companion app, your go-to toolkit for mastering radio and transmission technologies. I'm Amr El-Rashidi, and I bring you this app with over 15 years of hands-on experience in the telecommunications field. Throughout my professional journey, and especially during my off hours over the past several years, I've dedicated myself to building this app to support engineers, technicians, and students alike. Whether you're working in the field or learning in the classroom, this app is built to serve you. Let's explore what's inside Section 1 Radio R. Dive into the Radio RF section, where you'll find resources related to base station technologies, signal flow, and practical tools for understanding RF performance. Perfect for field engineers needing on-site quick references or learners mastering radio fundamentals. Section 2, Transmission Microwave. In the Transmission MW section, access critical content related to microwave links, line-of-sight planning, and backhaul troubleshooting. It's designed to help you maintain, optimize, and troubleshoot transmission paths easily and effectively. Section 3, Common Faults. Here we break down frequent power, RF, and transmission issues, categorized by symptom and cause. Whether you're in the field or in training, this section helps you quickly identify and fix problems. Section 4, Power Systems. This section covers telecom power systems, including DC plants, batteries, power panels, and alarms. It's ideal for engineers working on TP 48200A, Huawei, or Emerson systems. Section 5, Monitor Alarms. Stay ahead of issues with the Monitor Alarms feature. You can view and study different network alarm scenarios from real cases, especially helpful for NOC teams and field technicians. Section 6, Training Cabinets. Want to practice without affecting live systems? Use this section to explore virtual training cabinets, perfect for hands-on learners and training simulations. Section 7, Online Courses. Access my Udemy courses directly from the app. These are structured learning paths based on real-world field experience, helping you master both RF and transmission domains step by step. Section 8, Troubleshooting Videos. Watch YouTube videos from my personal telecom engineering channel. These cover practical issues, live scenarios, and expert solutions that you can apply immediately in the field. Let's explain each section in detail. Let's start with the Radio RF section. Once you tap on Radio RF, you're taken to a vendor selection screen. This section includes content from leading telecom vendors like Huawei, Ericsson, Nokia. Only the relevant vendors for RF are displayed, so you're not distracted by transmission or power-related options. Huawei RF content. When you tap on Huawei, you'll see categorized technical resources inside interactive cards. Each card contains a spinner with curated technical documents and guides, including Huawei Cabinet, BTS 3900, Covering Alarms, VSWR, Cabinet Design, and RET. Huawei UMPT, handling advanced topics like software, alarms, and board management. Huawei GTMU for RF and power signal troubleshooting. These resources are PDF-based and cover real-world issues, complete with explanations and solutions. Perfect for on-site engineers and students alike. Ericsson RF content. The Ericsson RF content is grouped by radio components. Baseband includes backup, restore, and configuration. 2G and 3G systems, external alarms, IDBs, configuration wizards. These PDFs help you understand and troubleshoot RBS systems effectively with real configuration steps and diagrams. Nokia and others. Some vendors like Nokia open into an advanced interface with structured layouts to guide you through configurations, faults, and cabinet architecture. Microwave transmission section. When you enter the transmission MW section, you'll find detailed resources categorized by vendor, Huawei, Ericsson, CI, NEC, and more. Each card represents a vendor's specific MW equipment and configurations. Huawei RTN and U2000. Starting with Huawei, you'll explore their RTN, Radio Transmission Network, products. These guides cover everything from RTN configuration, VLAN setup, XPI technology, and troubleshooting common alarms like laggy member down, bus error, and NTB unreachable. We also include Huawei U2000 content, their unified network management system. Learn how to install U2000, add OLT devices via SNPP, and upgrade E-band microwave links using Optics RTN380AX. Ericsson transmission. For Ericsson, the focus is on their Mini-Link series and transport node configuration. You'll learn how to configure XPIC PT2020 and manage TCU, the Transport Connectivity Unit, which plays a central role in packet-based backhaul systems. SIA transmission. SIA offers robust MW solutions like Alpha plus ADHD. The tutorials in this section help you perform firmware updates, OSPF network configurations, SCT backups, and understand the AGS-20 Ethernet switch. Each vendor section comes with a graphical icon, a title, and a drop-down spinner. Simply choose a topic and you'll be directed to a detailed PDF guide with all technical procedures, diagrams, and best practices. And for a better user experience, after every few documents you open, you may see a short ad. This helps us keep the content free and growing. Power section. Power systems are the backbone of every telecom site. They ensure continuity of service and protection of sensitive equipment. In this section, we've included detailed resources covering Huawei and Ericsson Power Solutions and more. Huawei Power Solutions. Under Huawei Power, you'll find guides on the ETP48200, TP48200, and PC1000 Power Cube systems, widely deployed in modern sites. You'll learn how to configure key parameters like LLVD and BLVD, export battery test results, and perform planned battery tests. We've also added guides on indoor and outdoor battery cabinet testing, TB48200 structure, and real-world scenarios like under-fuel alarms and low-voltage cutoff. Ericsson Power. In the Ericsson section, we've added documentation on Nova Power configurations, a key part of Ericsson's power interface for RBS and baseband units. Common Fault section. Welcome to the Common Fault section in our Telecom Engineering app. This is your go-to guide for identifying, analyzing, and resolving alarms on various telecom equipment deployed in the field. This section is structured visually and interactively. Each icon represents a different telecom equipment category, such as virtual BTS, TP48200A Power, RTN, IPSO, Ericsson Mini-Link TN, SIME, RBS 600, and Nokia Flexi. Just tap on any equipment icon to instantly open a categorized list of alarms specific to that device. When you tap on an icon, like BTS alarms or TP48200A, you're taken to a detailed page showing all relevant alarms. For each alarm, you'll see alarm ID, description, severity, critical, major, minor, impact on the site, possible causes, on-site handling, remote troubleshooting. This ensures engineers can quickly identify the root cause and determine the most efficient handling method, whether on-site or remote.
Add comments, community input. Each alarm page includes a comment section where users can add field notes, workarounds, or special cases they encountered. This collective experience improves troubleshooting and accelerates fault resolution across the team. You can log in using your Google account to participate in the conversation and see all shared insights by other field engineers. Example, RBS 600 alarm. Let's say you tapped on the RBS 600 icon. You'll see a list of typical Ericsson alarms. Select one, such as VSWR high, and you'll instantly view full context, what it means, how severe it is, what causes it, how to fix it on site, and if you can resolve it remotely. Why this matters. With hundreds of field engineers working across different vendors and technologies, this section helps standardize troubleshooting, reduce site downtime, and build a smarter, faster response culture. The Common Fault section is built by engineers for engineers. Whether you're dealing with BTS, microwave links, power units, or transmission nodes, you'll find your answers here. So, explore, tap on any icon, and become the master of your alarms. Welcome to the Training Cabinets application, a virtual simulation tool designed for telecom engineers to gain hands-on experience with cabinet systems right from their mobile device. This app provides a realistic walkthrough of key cabinet operations, focusing on Huawei BTS and Huawei Power ATP TP48200A cabinets commonly used at telecom sites. Main selection page. At the main page, you'll find two cabinet icons representing Huawei BTS cabinet, Huawei Power cabinet, ATP. Simply tap on the cabinet icon to begin your simulation training. Opening the cabinet. After selecting a cabinet, the virtual cabinet will be displayed on screen. Tap the Open Cabinet button to begin the animation. This animation visually simulates the process of physically opening the cabinet door, giving engineers a clear step-by-step representation of what happens in real environments. Burglar alarm. Once the cabinet is opened, a burglar alarm is triggered, just like what would happen if the door was accessed without authorization in the field. A snack bar appears, offering an alarm info button. Tapping it takes you to the alarm dashboard for more details. This step is crucial in helping engineers understand intrusion detection mechanisms in live sites. Cabinet actions and tooltips. Now you'll see helpful tooltips guiding you toward actions such as zooming into cabinet components, selecting specific cabinet functions, viewing training alarms for each action. This hands-on experience enhances understanding of internal components and alarm logic. Alarm Actions page. When zooming in or selecting a cabinet, you are taken to the Alarm Action page. Here, you'll see a list of actions you can simulate. Tap on any action to trigger related alarms and visualize the system's response. This helps build confidence in recognizing alarm patterns and knowing what to do. Scene 7. Closing the cabinet. Once you're done, tap the Close Cabinet button. This plays a closing animation and stops the alarm. It replicates what happens when a cabinet is secured in the field and the system returns to normal state. Training benefits. The Training Cabinets app allows engineers to practice safe cabinet operations, alarm handling, and inspection procedures, all without needing physical access to a telecom site. Whether you're onboarding new team members or reviewing best practices, this app provides the immersive training you need to stay field-ready. Online Courses section. First, explore our structured online courses, available on Udemy. Start with the Microwave Network Engineering course, covering RTN, TN, NEC, CA, and Huawei U2000 systems. Or dive into the Huawei BTS RF course, where we break down RF hardware, cabinet internals, and real field configurations. These courses are designed by telecom professionals, for telecom professionals. You can enroll directly from the app and learn at your own pace, anytime, anywhere. Troubleshooting videos section. Need a quick fix in the field? Head to our Troubleshooting videos section. This links you to our YouTube library, filled with hands-on tutorials and real-world solutions. Power faults, cabinet alarms, RF issues, we show you how to solve them step by step. TelecomApp. It's like having a senior engineer in your pocket. TelecomApp. It's like having a senior engineer in your pocket.